How to add an additional driver to your thrifty rental. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. To add an additional driver to your thrifty rental, you can add an additional driver with one of their team members at the counter when you pick up your rental car. There is a per day fee for each additional driver. They accept a maximum of 4 additional drivers per rental contract. So what this basically says is, while you go pick up your car, you need to go to the counter to ask for additional driver, or you can also call them beforehand to make sure there are additional drivers there, and book from call as well. And this is how to add an additional driver to your thrifty rental. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.